everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to use the French preposition. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Nous allons voir comment utiliser la préposition. Bote na bande ko nyonso boza kolandanga lelo na ko coach bino ndenge nini toutilisaka ba préposition en français. Alors, nino baka so boza mituna naza awa na kosala nyonso na répondre bino. Merci mingi. So guys, I'm gonna cover you guys are gonna see me. I'm gonna cover how to use en, au. So on this week I just wanna cover the preposition because some of us we struggle how to use it. Okay. So yeah, so we're gonna do a lot of exercise. We're gonna compléter par en ou par au. Okay. So I'm here. So compléter par en ou par au. African and American countries. So we're gonna look at some of African countries and American and North American country, and then what happened? We're gonna decide to use en or au. Okay. So compléter par en ou par au. Okay. Je vais en Europe. Je vais en Afrique. Je vais en Asie. Okay? So, in this case, we're gonna work on this Gulin, va. You see this country? It's a male country. Le Maroc. So, when you hear le Maroc, I'm not saying la Maroc. No, no, no. La Canada. Nope. Because Canada is a male country. We say le Canada, le Maroc, le Congo. Okay? So, Gulin va au Maroc. Because Maroc is a male country. Okay? So, we're gonna write here. Gulin va au Maroc. Gulin est allé au Tchad. Okay? Gulin est allé au Tchad. Gulin est né la Zaïre. No, les Zaïre. Yes, because Zaïre is a male country. We say le Zaïre, not la Zaïre. Je suis né dans la province du Zaïre. OK? Gulin est né dans la province du Zaïre. So, here we're gonna say Gulin est né au Zaïre. Okay? Gulin est né au Zaïre. Gulin travaille la Cameroun. Le Cameroun. Which one? Be careful. It's a male country. We say le Cameroun. Gulin travaille au Cameroun. Eric est né la Kenya. Le Kenya. So you use Kenya is a male country. So we say Eric est né au Kenya. Annie n'est pas allée look at it, Venezuela. Annie n'est pas allée au Venezuela. This one, okay? Oh. C'est le garçon avec lequel il est allé au. So in this case, Burundi is a male country. You don't say la Burundi. Je suis né en Burundi. No. No, Burundi is a male country. We say le Burundi. For example, le Congo, le Maroc, le Canada, les États-Unis. Be careful. In the US, we say le. This one. Same thing we use for le Pays-Bas, les Philippines, le Sèche. Okay? But for this, le Maroc, we use this le. Okay? So, c'est le garçon avec lequel il est allé au Burundi. O. Okay? Au Burundi. Okay? Okay? So in case you wanna practice more, I live like that. Yeah. Gulin va au Maroc. Gulin est allé. We link it here. Gulin est allé au Tchad. You can say like that, but when you link it, it sounds way better. Gulin, this one, silent. Gulin est allé au Tchad. Gulin est né. This one, mistake. I'm gonna word of that. The spelling mistake, okay? Yeah, so this part, we're gonna word of that. Okay? Gulin est né au Zaïre. Gulin travaille au Cameroun. Eric est né au Kenya. Annie n'est pas allée au, you see, Venezuela. So this one you're gonna see, we got the O here, 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 we got the O here. C'est le garçon avec lequel il est allé au Burundi. So when you take a look, all this, you look, all this, okay? All this, you're gonna see the O all of here. Okay, when you take a look, the O right there. Now, the rest of these are the country in Africa. And the other one is in North America, Venezuela. Okay? Burundi is in the east of Congo. Okay? Kenya is in the east of Africa. Kenya, east of Africa. Cameroon is close to Chad. It's close to La République Centrafricaine. Okay? So here you're gonna say le Cameroun, le Maroc, le Tchad, le Zaïre, le Cameroun, le Kenya, le Venezuela, le Burundi. So we use this le. We use this one, okay? For the United States, for US, we use this. We use this one in the plural form. So we say les États-Unis, le Pays-Bas, le Philippines, le Seychelles, okay? So now this one here we're gonna do together, okay? So Gulin est allé aux France. En. Gulin est né au Suède. En. Gulin travaille au Russie. En. Eric est né au Belgique. En. Annie n'est pas allée au Norvège. En. C'est le garçon avec lequel il est allé au Colombie. En. These countries, when you look at them, we use la. So when we use la France, we're gonna use en. So we're gonna use this one. But be careful. Be careful. In this case, this is a preposition, not the pronoun. Sometimes you're gonna hear people say, vous avez combien d'enfants? J'en ai 2. In that case, I'm talking about the preposition. I'm talking about the pronoun. But, or the way I can put it, in this case, I'm talking about is the preposition en. In some situation, en become the pronoun. Tu as combien d'enfants? J'en ai 2. Instead of repeating, vous avez combien d'enfants? J'ai 2 enfants. You don't need to repeat that. You just can say, j'en ai 2. In that case, en is pronoun. However, in this case, en is a preposition. Okay? Gulin est allé en France. Not Gulin est allé au France. No, we don't use au France. Never ever use au France. Okay? Don't use this when you use the female country. Don't use it. Okay? Gulin est allé en France. Gulin est né en Suède. Gulin travaille en Russie. Eric est né en Belgique. Annie n'est pas allée en Norvège. C'est le garçon avec lequel il est allé en Colombie. If you say Colombia, it's okay. Right? So we're gonna fix this. So we're gonna write Gulin est allé en France. Gulin est né en Suède. Okay? Gulin travaille en Russie. Eric est né en Belgique. Annie n'est pas allée en Norvège. C'est le garçon avec lequel il est allé en. Okay? That's how we write it. Never ever say je vais au France. No. Je vais en France. Okay? So, in case you want to practice the same thing we just did, so go ahead. Okay? Next one. See the right answer right here. Okay? So I'm gonna read. Gulin est allé en France. Gulin est né en Suède. Gulin travaille en Russie. Eric est né en Belgique. Annie n'est pas allée en Norvège. C'est le garçon avec lequel il est allé en Colombie. So you're gonna hear in English we say Colombia. Okay, where are you from? Oh, I'm from South America. I'm from Colombia. I'm from Venezuela. Oh, okay. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Oh, okay. All right. I'm from Congo. So yeah, you just So here they speak French. Here they speak Russian. Here French. Here they speak Spanish. So Spanish is not like French, their language a little bit different. Hola, ¿qué pasa? Something like that. So here we go. Gulin, okay? Gulin est allé à Pays-Bas. Wrong. Gulin est né en États-Unis. Wrong. Gulin travaille au Cuba. Wrong. Gulin, Eric est né en Philippines. Wrong. You don't say like that. Gulin est allé aux Pays-Bas. Gulin est né aux États-Unis. Gulin travaille à Cuba. Eric est né aux Philippines. Now, when we use Pays-Bas, we use this O. When I say, like I say, Gulin est allé aux Pays-Bas. I'm using this one. Gulin est né aux États-Unis. I use this because when I say aux États-Unis, like this, right? Sorry. So this and this become like this. Aux États-Unis. Aux États-Unis. Gulin travaille à Cuba. some of the island we use A. Some of them we use O. Look for example, Philippines, we use this O. Japan, je vais au Japon. Je vais en Japon. You don't say je vais à Japon. No, wrong. Okay? So we're gonna write the right answer there. Gulin est allé aux Pays-Bas. Gulin est né aux États-Unis. Gulin travaille à. You see this A? This one I'm talking about. Hein? So, Gulin travaille à. This is the one. Eric est né au. Okay? So, this one I'm talking about. Okay? So, Gulin est allé aux Pays-Bas. Gulin est né aux États-Unis. Gulin travaille à Cuba. Eric est né aux Philippines. Okay? Gonna put and make sure somebody. The period. To put that one at the end. Okay? So, here's the right answer. Gulin est allé aux Pays-Bas. Gulin est né aux États-Unis. Gulin travaille à Cuba. Eric est né aux Philippines. Okay? Because when you look at that sentence at the end, you have to put the period. Okay? Right there. So here, we're gonna compléter par un ou par o, Congo, Congo, and Canada province. So we're gonna use Gulin est allé en Kivu. Wrong. Gulin est né en Congo central. Wrong. Gulin travaille en Québec. Wrong. Eric est né en Burundi. En Bandundu. Wrong. Annie n'est pas allée en Manitoba. Wrong. So, this province we're gonna use because it's a male province. Le Kivu, le Congo central, le Québec, le Bandundu, le Manitoba. So, we're using this le. Le Kivu. Gulin est allé au Kivu. Gulin est né au Congo central. Gulin travaille au Québec. Eric est né au Bandundu. Annie n'est. Here, forget about this when you're reading this. You're only gonna say Annie né. You link it. N'est pas allé. You link it. Au Manitoba. Okay? So when we're doing we use let's say the male province. Okay? We use le Kivu, le Congo central, le Québec, le Bandundu, le Manitoba. Okay? Gulin est allé en Kivu. Wrong. Incorrect. Gulin est né en Congo central. Wrong. Gulin travaille en Québec. Wrong. Eric est né en Bandundu. Wrong. You don't say like that. Annie n'est pas allée en Manitoba. Wrong. So, Gulin est allé au Kivu. Gulin est né au Congo central. Gulin travaille au Québec. Eric est né au Bandundu. Annie né. You don't need to use this. Okay? This one. Sorry, that one are silent. Annie n'est pas allé, you link it, au Manitoba. So, Manitoba. So, these one are the province in Congo. These are the province. Okay, my background is from here. Okay, Congo Central. Now, when we're writing, so, Gulin est allé au Kivu. Gulin est né au Congo central. Gulin travaille au Québec. Eric est né au Bandundu. Annie n'est pas allée au Manitoba. Okay? Same thing, in case you want to practice, go ahead. Come here. This is the one I was talking about. Gulin est allé. So I link here. Okay, this one is a silent. Gulin est allé au. This one sounds like zero, like O. Au Kivu. Gulin, same thing, silent. You pronounce this one. This one is silent too. Both of them, silent. We don't need to pronounce them. Gulin est né au Congo central. Gulin travaille au Québec. Okay? This one, silent. This and this, when you see like this, it sounds like K. How? This becomes silent. So, when you see like this, okay, you pronounce a K. Because this U is a silent. You don't pronounce it. In reality, only like this, K. So, Quebec. Okay? So, when you watch the other video, you're going to see I put the accent here. It was a spelling mistake, okay? You don't have to put it there. So, that one is wrong, okay? Yeah. So, Eric, silent. This one is silent. Eric est né au Bandundu. Bandundu is a province in Congo. Annie, né, forget about this. You see this one? Silent. You don't need to pronounce it. Annie, you link this. Annie n'est pas allé. Become like that. Allé au Manitoba. Okay? Annie n'est pas allé au Manitoba. Okay? Yeah, so I'm gonna stop here for today. In case you have a question for me, please email me. Oh, I just wanna remind you guys. You see this college in North America? This is not high school, no. In Africa, this college in Africa is similar to university. Okay? So a lot of people get confused because when you see I put college here, no, it's not high school. No, it's up. It's a little bit higher compared. Like in Africa, this college is like university. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.